the priority directions in Beeline is social responsibility. This time the company's focus is on school students. The situation with education in Kazakhstan today is very difficult. There are more than 7,500 secondary schools in the country. 69% of them are village schools. Almost half of all Kazakhstani school-aged children study there. Rural students lag behind their urban peers in terms of knowledge by 2 to 3 years, and schools do not have enough equipment for quality education. Beeline took part in the project for the development of flagship rural schools within the framework of which 8 schools in Kazakhstan were upgraded to the level of the best intellectual schools. The company allocated 2 billion tenge for full renovation of several village schools. That is about 250 million per school. About 250 classrooms in 8 schools were equipped with modern furniture and the latest equipment. The average amount of expenses per one child in the project was 329,000 tenge. 559 teachers have improved their qualifications according to the standards of the best intellectual schools.
Билайнға рахмет, енді біздің әр күніміз мереке.
And now, more than 4,700 children are getting the most modern education in rural areas.
Сенің сүйікті кабинетің қандай?
Робототехника.
The project was widely covered in the media and social media. It was highly appreciated and awarded. The project, development of potential hub schools in rural areas, was implemented in partnership with the Kazakhstan Halkana Foundation and the Sustainable Education Development Foundation.